Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial video, I will show you how to create X professional account and X ad account. But unfortunately, X don't allow you to create account from web. You need to log into your mobile app, and from the mobile app, you need to create this professional account. So let's go in the mobile app and create account, then log back in web app. In the mobile app, first you need to go to in account, then create a new account. Here you need to give the professional mail account. Here I am using my webmail account, that is admin@marpdigital.com. Then I will go for continue, and X will send a verification code to your webmail. Collect the code and enter it. Now we need to set the birthday. I use a birthday date that is eligible to go for account. Now set the name. Obviously my brand name, that is Marp Digital, I will enter here. Then I will go for continue, and also username. I use the same brand name, and now I will set a password. You can also set your own password and then go for continue, and allow X to access your app. Then find friends. I will skip, and the account is already created. Let's go and get back to your website, X website, and re-login. I will use my mail ID to continue. Here is my webmail. So I will supposed to receive a code. Let's wait for the code. Yes, already arrived the code. Let's enter the code and continue. Now the account is already created. Log back. Now I will go in the edit of my page. So edit the profile. First I will use profile images, profile logo. Here I will use my logo. The logo dimension should be 400 by 400. I have created before. I will just add it. Now apply. Next, for the header image, I have also created, so I will add it. Next, so here you need to go for a bio. So my website bio I will put in X account. in the header of my website, the bio here, I will just copy. I will paste, then I will go for next. So where do you live? Based in Bangladesh. Go for next. Okay. Now again we need to go in the edit profile, and you see there is an option in website, a link. So I will add my website link. Then another important to switch the account to professional mode. I will click on professional mode. So now I need to accept the criteria and set a category. For me, it's a digital marketing agency. You can change as your business meet the standard. Then account type, and now save. Once you switch your account to professional, then you will unlock more mm, options that need to edit and fill in your professional account. So let's go. So profile highlight spotlight, that is very important. I will click, and there is a location issue. I will set on the location. First need the website. I will copy and paste my website URL. The set save, then address. You need to give a valid address for your business where. So I will give this address, then save, then city, save, then state, and finally country, Bangladesh. So done. Now we can save, and business hours. You need to set a business hours. So you can set custom, or you can use whatever is actually needed for your business. So I use the custom timing. Then set all other days, and finally save. Once we spot highlight location we will get, then we get a additional feature from X. Now I set the email and save. Then you have also option in phone. First I set the country code, then I will set my mobile number, and I will save. Now my professional X account is set. So all of the setting we have configured. So uh, now my X professional accounts look like a professional, not individual something. Now save, and we need to highlight the spotlight, that is location, also communities. But since my account is new, so there is no communities. So finally go back, edit professional profile, and one step more, and then finally save. So my account is already created. Now I will create X ad accounts. So click on more. You can see this highlight direction, get direction and contact, that is feature for professional ad account. I click on more, then go in the ad account, click on add and set up your account. So you need to set this timing and accept the condition and go for creation of your ad account. So click on create. Now my own X ad account is already created under this professional account, and you can see here everything is available. We will discover and create how to uh, link your uh, ad manager with Pixel in the next video. Hope you like this. Thank you.